Good morning, students. Welcome to our mathematics class. In this class, I am going to continue the topic large numbers. In previous class, I have given introduction of large numbers and different types of numbers and also different systems. Indian system and numbers, how to pronounce the numbers in two systems, international system and Indian system. Now, in this class, I am going to compare those two systems, Indian system and international system. Why we need to compare the two systems here? Comparison just for our understanding. So, we can compare our system, each place of our system compare with each place of international system. So, by that we can understand the values of each place. Now, see here this is table given. In this table, the above column is written for Indian system and down column is written for international system. Here I have written Indian system and down one is international system. Here see in Indian system, in our Indian system, places are divided as ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores place, and 10 crores place. Now, in international system, see in international system places are divided as ones place, tens place, hundred place. These two are same. Indian system and international system. These first period, ones period is same. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, same as it is. Now here comes thousands place as it is. And here 10,000. Next comes after 1,000, 10,000. Here also 10,000. Up to here everything is same in both systems. But here changes. After 10,000, 100,000 comes here. In the international system, 100,000 comes. In our system, in our Indian system, that is lakhs place. 100,000 is equal to lakhs place. So now we can understand 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. By that we can compare the values. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So this is international system, this is the Indian system. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. We can compare like that values. Now next comes after 100,000. The next place is millions in international system. Next place is millions. Now that is equal to in Indian system, that is equal to 10 lakhs place. Millions place is equal to 10 lakhs place. That means what? We can compare that. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. So we can compare the values. Depends on by seeing the place values. Place values we can compare the values of each place. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs place equal to million place. Now here 10 millions. 10 million after 10 millions. 10 millions is equal to 1 crore. Here in our system 1 crore. Here in an international system that is equal to 10 million. Here next comes after crores. In our system next coming one is 10 crores. Next place is 10 crores. Here but after 10 millions 100 millions. 10 millions million, 10 million, 100 million. 100 million equal to 10 crore. 10 million equal to crore. Like that we can compare each place. So the values also we can understand in international system and in our Indian system. The values we can compare by using these place value charts. Here see, if you take example, one example. Here digits are given. I have written some digits in these boxes. How to pronounce these digits in these number? How to pronounce the digits are written. Now write the name of the number based on Indian system, based on international system. Here see in our Indian system what we can say is 51 crore. See 50 crore and 1 crore. 51 crore two digits. 51 crore and 52 lakhs two digits we are taking here. Now 53,000. Next last one is 632. Only last period 3 digits. Remaining all two digits we can take in each period. 51 crore, 52 lakhs, 53,000 and 632. In our international system, now international comes every period is consists of three digits. Every period consists of three digits. Here first place ones period 3 digits and thousands period 3 digits, millions period 3 digits. Here every period consists of 3 digits. But in our Indian system, all periods consist of only 2 digits except last period, ones period. Ones period only 3 digits. Same in both systems. Ones period is same, but remaining periods are 2 digits. But here in international system, all periods, every period is 3 digits. First period is 3 digits, and second period also, thousands period also 3 digits, millions period also 3 digits. Here we can say this as 515 million, 515 million, 253,000 together. The whole period we should say the thousands place, thousands period together we should say 3 digits combined we should say 253,000, 515 million, 253,000, last 632. So such a way we can give the names of numbers. So by using our system, Indian system and international system. Only thing, what is the difference here? Only here two digits for all periods except the last period. Here all three digits each period except the last period. Now every period is given by 3 digits. So we can say the numbers by using systems. If we come to exercise, now exercise 1, first problem is given here. First problem given in words. Given in words. There we have write in numerals. In what system here? Using international system. Using the international system. How to write it? Now see, in first problem is given as 83 million 328,632. What is the value? 83 million 328,632. That number here see 3 digits. Here also 3 digits, but here up to here only ended now, so no need to write 0. No need to start with the 0. So last period where it is ends, there we stop. Here no need to write 3 digits here. So 83 million, no hundreds million here. Only 10s million and millions place and tens millions. 83 million 328,632. Now one more next question is, second question is given as 608 million 2,060. How to write this in numerals in international system? 608 million comma 608 millions comma. Now next here thousands place only 2,000 is given. That means what here? No hundreds thousand, no 10,000, only thousands place is given. No, there is no 10th place, 10,000 place not there, 100th place not there. So only 2,000 means here 100th place is 100,000 place is 0 and 10,000 place is 0. Only thousands place is 2. Such a way now here 0 100,000, 10,000 0. Only 2,000 now, so that is thousands place 2. Now next 60, no 100 place 0, no 100 place, so we can write here as 0 and 60. 6 is in tens place and ones place not there. 61, 62 not there, only 60. So tens place 6 and ones place again 0. Wherever not given, the value not given, there you place 0. Just place 0 and fill that blanks. Then you can complete the number in numerals. So this is the way we can write numerals by using words. Now here one more example is given. 68,341. Here 60 no hundreds million place, only 10 millions million place. So 68 million. Okay. Now what about thousands place not given? Thousands place not given. 100,000 not there. 10,000 not there. Thousands place not there. So we should write in all hundreds place, 100,000 place, 10,000 place, thousands place. 0 0 0, 3 zeros, and then only just 341. What the value of this? 68,341. So 68 million, thousands place period is nothing is given, so all zeros, 3 zeros and 341. Whichever we can write numbers by using words. Now next, here second question. If you come to second question, what is given here? Write the number names. Here numbers are given, write number words. Write in words. Number name by following numbers. If you take one number, what is the number? Here see digits are given 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 2, 5. So now in our Indian system, when you comes to Indian system, when you are writing Indian system, what you have to do? First 3 digits only. First one's place comes to 3 digits, remaining all 2 digits. So you have to insert commas as per that periods. So first place, first period, ones, tens, hundred, comma. You have to place the comma. Next, in Indian system, 2 digits. Next, thousand, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Up to here only ended. So then, what is the value of this writing words? Writing words, write the number name 23,000, 23 lakhs, 46,000 and 825. So once again, 20. This number value is number name is 23 lakhs 46,825. Yes. Now comes to here in the international system. Same digits in the international system. First period only 3 digits. Every period is taken as 3 digits. First period 3 digits. Second period 3 digits. Like that. Continue. So last period then stop there. Now here first period 3 digits. Second period 3 digits. Stops here. Yes. See. Then 2,346,825. In the international system, 3 digits comma. But in Indian system, only one period is 3 digits, remaining all 2 digits. So such a way you can write number names. Here once again, 2,346,825. Such a way we can write the number names for given numerals. Thank you. We'll discuss remaining in next class. Thank you.